Hey friends, welcome to another refrigeration HVAC mechanic Red Seal license exam review. This is multiple choice question set number 6. Number 1. What must you do when installing a new evaporator? A. Charge with refrigerant. B. Release the pressure from the nitrogen charge. C. Set evaporator superheat. D. None of the above. Correct answer is B. Release the pressure of the nitrogen charge from the nitrogen charge. 2. What do you monitor before you enter a confined space? A. Space temperature, amount of moisture. B. C. The atmosphere. D. Or fire extinguisher. Correct answer is C. Atmosphere. Number 3. When receiving a rooftop unit from the supplier, what must you inspect? A. Cost of unit. B. Dimensions of unit. C. Accessory mounts. Or D. Nameplate and damage. Correct answer is D. Nameplate and damage. Number 4. A 208 120 volts AC 3-phase motor has how many conductors? A. 3, B. 4, C. 6, D. 5. Correct answer is 5. Number 5. How to measure depth of a bearing journal? A. Micrometer. B. Ruler. C. Dial indicator. D. Feeler gauge. Correct answer is A. Micrometer. Number 6. How do you make the bypass on a cooling tower operate? A. Tap the sensor. B.
Daddy, Mommy wants me a Christmas song to learn on the ukulele.
Oh, Silent Night.
No, we picked one.
Huh?
We picked one.
Okay.
It's this one.
We're gonna learn it tomorrow
Okay.
or the next day.
Okay.
How do you make the bypass on a cooling tower operate? A. Tap the sensor. B. Jump the sensor. C. Cool down the sensor.
Boba.
D. Apply heat to sensor. C is the correct answer. Cool down the sensor. Number 7. That is my daughter. Sorry about that. Where is the best location for an HRV? A. Garage. B. Bathroom. C. Kitchen. Or D. Away from foul odor and noise. Correct answer is D. Away from foul odors and noise. Number 8. The purpose of a P-trap in an air conditioning unit is to prevent outdoor air from going into the air conditioner through the condensate drain. Because of what pressure? A. Negative pressure. B. Positive pressure, C. Atmospheric, or D. None of the above. Correct answer is A. Negative pressure. 9. What is the minimum solder used on a drain line? A. 50-50 solder, B. 95-5 solder, C. silver, or D. None of the above. Correct answer is 95-5 solder. Just highlight that one. Okay. Yeah, so that's the answer. 95-5 solder. Letter B is the answer to number 9. And number 10. For horizontal pipes 3-inch to 6-inch diameter, the minimum slope is A. 1/4 inch per foot, B. 1/2 inch per foot, C. 1/8 inch per foot, or D. 3/8 inch per foot. Correct answer is C. 1/8 inch per foot. So now we've reached question number 10, and this is it for this video, and we'll see you on the next video. Okay, cheers and have a good one.